Which vital sign best reflects perfusion status? Answer D. Capillary refill. Normal adult cardiac output. Answer C. 4 to 6 liters per minute. Which condition causes widened pulse pressure? Answer B. Aortic regurgitation. Which drug class reduces preload? Answer C. Diuretics. Normal adult ejection fraction. Answer C. 55 to 70%. Which electrolyte imbalance causes peaked T waves? Answer B. Hyperkalemia. Which condition causes big stroke? Answer C. Cardiac tamponade. Which hormone increases heart rate and BP? Answer C. Adrenaline. Normal adult respiratory minute volume. Answer C. 5 to 8 liters per minute. Which condition causes paradoxical breathing? Answer C. Flail chest. Which ABG finding indicates respiratory acidosis? Answer A. Decreased pH, increased partial carbon dioxide. Which condition causes Chinese Stokes respiration? Answer D. Both B and C. Which lab value best reflects oxygen carrying capability? Answer B. Hemoglobin. Which position improves oxygenation in ARDS? Answer B. Prone. Normal adult inspiratory-expiratory ratio. Answer B. 1:2. Which condition causes restrictive lung disease? Answer C. Pulmonary fibrosis. Which drug reverses opioid overdose? Answer B. Naloxone. Which shock type shows low SVR? Answer C. Septic. Which sign indicates increased intracranial pressure? Answer B. Bradycardia. Normal adult intracranial pressure. Answer B. 5 to 15 mm of mercury. Which condition causes Cushing's stroke? Answer C. Increased ICP. Which electrolyte imbalance causes depressed reflexes? Answer B. Hypermagnesemia. Which hormone stimulates RBC production? Answer C. Erythropoietin. Which lab finding indicates iron deficiency anemia? Answer B. Low ferritin.